Agus isig sethold sus ceapan go piece of your ceol and sin ó Alex on DJ le dúireach ná mid go hortí le suc.
So here we are, broadcasting live from the audience. And what brings you here today, sir?
Well, I like Irish language and culture, and this is very, very good. It caters for all age groups, Irish Cronin does. It's been here for years now. You're never too old or too young to embrace on your own culture and language, and I always enjoy it every time I come here.
So would you be here regularly then?
I would come here as often as I could, not as often as I would like, but it improves my cúpla focal each time I'm here. You know, practice makes perfect. So úsáid an cúpla, you know, focal a good gach lá, you know.
Yeah, definitely. So it seems kind of like a really fun way to practice and have it more a part of life.
It's very relaxing because you can have, at night you can have a drink up here, and we all get a little bit more relaxed with a few drinks on us. We're not afraid to make a mistake. So, you know, you can say the few words, you know, when you have the few drinks on you. Also, like, listening to other people, you know, when you're engaged listening, you know, you will learn more as well.
How do you find the band so far?
The band, they're pretty good, but to be honest with you, I'm 60 years of age, so I'll have to be honest with you. And it's more catered for a younger crowd today.
Yeah.
And that was Michaela talking to members of the audience here in Áras Crónan. Tommy, it's jig on Áras Crónan. It's Tionol, the first Tionol, and just finished. Where over being under, we have Connor, Jack, and Craig. Okay, Craig, just lean into the microphone there so we can hear his voice. Just move yourselves in there closely. It's kind of a rock and roll environment before our next artist starts. So let's talk to the lead singer first of all. How's your throat?
Sorry?
How's your throat?
That's alright.
Well, listen, you're good to get into the mic there. You should know how to use microphones at this stage, boys. Move in closer there. So that was a fairly electric performance there. How did it feel?
Felt good, yeah. It's good.
You've got an EP coming up at the end of the month, is it?
Sorry?
Are you recording an EP at the end of the month?
Yeah.
So tell me a little bit about that.
We're hoping to record it early, early September, or late August, you know, if we get money. But be on Guys of Beards Records. It'll be 6 or 7 songs, hopefully, if we have the money.
Okay, just say that again.
Release it on tape.
On tape?
Yeah.
So this is kind of retro cool, is it?
Yeah, tape's the new thing.
Oh, is it? Is it coming back?
Yeah, it's coming back. Yeah.
I have loads of tapes at home.
I have a few.
Have you got a machine to play them? That's the thing.
Yeah.
Over being under it, Craig on vocals, Jack on guitar, Ginge on drums, and Jay on bass. Craig, you're a hard-edged vegan. Is that what you're saying about yourself?
No, the lads just said that because I wasn't here. Because I was a bit late.
They're spreading rumours about you.
Yeah, they're just messing
And you're writing your own material. Who does most of the writing?
I'd say I do most of the writing, and then Ginge does a bit as well. He does a bit of lyrics. Jack's wrote one song.
Okay.
Jay writes a song. We all do a bit of writing, I suppose.
So it's a collaborative effort for a lot of it. Okay. Well, listen, I think our next act is about to start. Thanks for talking to us, and the best of luck in the future.
No problem.
That's the boys from Over Being Under. That's Craig and Jack. Thanks for talking to us, boys. And we're here in Áras Crónan for Tionol, and about to take the stage now is solo artist Susan Ward, about to be introduced to the crowd here.
Drinks and non-alcoholic beverages, folks. Don't even look at me like that. August Marchinda, okay?